The essential concepts in cybersecurity.
Understanding threats and vulnerabilities.
Welcome back to the second part of our series on the essential concepts in cybersecurity. In our previous video, we discussed the fundamentals of cybersecurity and the importance of protecting our digital assets.
Today, we will delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity by focusing on two critical aspects: threats and vulnerabilities.
As we navigate through the interconnected world of technology, the need to safeguard our data and systems from cyber threats has become more crucial than ever before. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending our digital space from unauthorized access, damage, or theft. In Part 02, we will unravel the concept of threats and vulnerabilities that cybersecurity professionals constantly face.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Before we proceed, let's establish a clear understanding of the terms threats and vulnerabilities. In cybersecurity, a threat refers to any potential danger that can exploit weaknesses in our systems or data. On the other hand, a vulnerability represents the weaknesses or flaws present in our technology, applications, or processes that could be exploited by threats. Threats come in various forms and can target any aspect of our digital environment. Some common types of threats include malware, phishing attacks, social engineering, ransomware, and denial of service (DoS) attacks. Each threat poses its unique risks and requires specific preventive measures. Vulnerabilities can exist in hardware, software, or even human behaviors. Inadequate security configurations, outdated software, weak passwords, and improper access controls are examples of vulnerabilities that malicious actors may exploit. Recognizing and addressing vulnerabilities is crucial in maintaining a strong cybersecurity posture. The cybersecurity landscape is continually evolving, and this brings about a paradox. As technology advances, so do cybersecurity measures. However, cyber threats also become more sophisticated and advanced. Cybersecurity professionals must stay vigilant and adapt to these changes to stay ahead of potential attacks. A key aspect of cybersecurity defense is educating individuals within organizations. Cybersecurity training empowers employees to identify and respond to potential threats, reducing the risk of human error that might lead to security breaches. In conclusion, understanding threats and vulnerabilities is fundamental to building robust cybersecurity defenses. By acknowledging potential dangers and addressing weaknesses, we can protect our digital assets and data from unauthorized access and malicious intent. Thank you for joining us in Part 02 of The Essential Concepts in Cybersecurity. In our next video, we will explore the importance of cybersecurity best practices and proactive measures to safeguard against emerging threats. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights in cybersecurity. Until next time, stay secure and stay informed.